Are you paying too much for QuickBooks Time and not getting the features that you actually need? What if I told you there's a better, more affordable alternative? Stay with me as I break down why Connecteam is a smarter choice for time tracking, payroll, and workforce management. I'm Pallen, a brand strategist. Welcome to my channel, where I share tools and strategies to grow your business. Today we're diving in with a head-to-head comparison, QuickBooks Time versus Connecteam. QuickBooks Time is well known, but is it really worth the cost? I'm going to walk you through pricing, features, and real-world functionality so that you can decide which tool is best to fit your business. QuickBooks Time is a well-known platform for tracking employee hours and managing schedules. It comes with features like GPS tracking, project-based time logging, and payroll exports. Time tracking online, on mobile, and a time kiosk are all options. But let's look at the cost, because for most businesses, this is where it starts to hurt. Their base time premium plan charges $10 a month just to get started, and then $8 per user. That adds up. For 30 users, that's $250 every single month. Now compare that to Connecteam. Pricing starts at just $29 a month for the same team size. Even their advanced plan, which includes shift templates, geofencing, and more, is just $49 a month compared to the $250 for QuickBooks Time. That's a savings of over $2,400 a year, no matter which plan you choose. So if you're running payroll and scheduling every week, the choice is pretty clear. Wow, that is a massive difference. You're saving thousands per year with Connecteam. Let me show you a side-by-side comparison. Here's how the two platforms compare beyond just cost. With Connecteam, you're not just getting time tracking, you're getting GPS validation, shift scheduling, task management, and real-time communication tools, all built into the same app. You're going to see it in a second. QuickBooks Time focuses mainly on tracking hours, and many of its features require switching between platforms. Plus, you need a separate QuickBooks Online account just to get started. With Connecteam, everything's in one place, designed to keep your team organized, accountable, and moving faster. Both platforms offer time tracking, but QuickBooks Time's overtime tracker has some major flaws. It fails to track overtime and double time hours during testing. That's a huge payroll risk for businesses with hourly employees. In this honest review, which I'll link to in the description below so you can see it for yourself, QuickBooks Time Overtime Tracker failed to detect overtime and double time hours, even with the correct rules enabled. That's not just a glitch. That really has the potential to become a major compliance and payroll risk. For any business with hourly workers, inaccurate overtime tracking can mean fines, frustrated employees, unnecessary payroll corrections. It's one of the biggest red flags from the review, and something to seriously consider when choosing a time tracking solution. Here's how Connecteam handles time tracking. Employees clock in and out with a single tap, no pins or passwords, and managers get real-time visibility into hours worked, breaks, and locations. The system supports geofencing to prevent time fraud, and custom payroll rules ensure accurate overtime and double time tracking from the start. Timesheets are built automatically in the background and ready for payroll, so there's no room for error. Everything you see here, it's synced, logged, and fully customizable to match your operations. Now let's talk about scheduling and shift management. QuickBooks Time has drag and drop scheduling, but no shift swapping. If an employee needs a last-minute switch, managers must manually adjust schedules, which wastes time, but not with Connecteam. Oh no. With Connecteam, employees can swap shifts directly in the app. No emails, texts, or manager back and forth. They get real-time notifications for any changes, and shift templates make scheduling fast and consistent across locations. Here's how it works. Managers can build and assign schedules in just a few clicks with a few options. First, let me show you how to copy from the previous week in one click. No need to manually redo the work that you've already done before, or at least in this case, use the previous week as a starting point to save time. Or check this out. Auto Assign is powered by AI. It scans for overlapping schedules, checks availability, and builds your roster in seconds. It's one of the smartest features in Connecteam and a huge time saver for busy managers. Instead of chasing down updates, managers can focus on approvals and exceptions, and for teams with frequent changes, this flexibility makes all the difference. QuickBooks Time integrates with QuickBooks Online, but so does Connecteam. Plus, it integrates with Gusto, Xero, and other payroll tools. With Connecteam's payroll integrations, you can automate time tracking all the way through to payroll, so no spreadsheets, no manual edits. If you use QuickBooks, Gusto, ADP Run, and Paychex Flex, and others, tools. Connecteam syncs timesheets directly to your payroll system with just a few clicks. If you don't see your provider listed, no problem. You can export timesheets in seconds and upload them to nearly any platform. Managers can review and approve hours in-app, reducing errors and speeding up payroll processing. It works across multiple job sites, supports different pay rates, and keeps everything in one place, from punch-in to payday. Now, I'm going to be honest with you. Based on my experience, QuickBooks Time's app is buggy, and I've read that users report freezing, login issues, and syncing failures, whereas Connecteam really is built mobile first. And for teams, it has an easy one-tap clock in and a very stable mobile experience. Let me show you. Definitely check out Connecteam's mobile app. It's clean, intuitive, incredibly stable, built specifically for teams that don't sit at a desk all day. You saw that clocking in takes one single tap. Employees can track time, view schedules, submit forms without ever touching a desktop computer. And here's what matters. It works. Unlike QuickBooks Time, which users report often freezes or fails to sync properly, Connecteam is dependable. If your team is mobile, your time tracking app should be too, and this one gets it right. Finally, QuickBooks Time is not HIPAA compliant, which is a deal breaker for healthcare. With Connecteam, it's SOC 2 and ISO 27001 certified. It has secure employee data storage. It also has custom permissions and access controls. Security is a top priority for Connecteam. Here's a look at the built-in compliance measures that ensure employee data is protected at all times. Best of all, Connecteam offers a free plan for teams of up to 10 employees, as well a 14-day free trial for premium features, seamless onboarding, and support, and affordable pricing for businesses of all sizes. So let's face it, QuickBooks Time is expensive and unreliable, while Connecteam gives you more features for a fraction of the price. If you're ready to switch, try Connecteam free today, linked in the description, of course. If you've got questions, drop them in the comments. We personally reply to each and every one of them. And hit like if this video helped you, and don't forget to subscribe for more business tools and tech comparisons. Thank you, Connecteam, for sponsoring this video. I'll see you in the next one.